KK PEB is a steel structure building manufacturing company. The construction division was established in October 2008. Within an 18-year span, we have built more than 402 projects in the different regions of India. From the 2014, KK PEB founded PEB Division. Within the time of 12 years, we completed more than 265 plus projects, with the build for over 1 crore, 32,50,000 plus square feet in PEB Division. Our specialities in PEB steel structure, building industrial, all types, EOT crane, warehouse, logistics yards, rail yards, storage, mezzanine, building, shopping mall, exhibition hall workshops. Advantages and features: larger spans, cost-effective peace of mind, guaranteed, faster construction, relocatable, custom design. Our vision is to be recognized as the global leader for the design, manufacture, supply and erection of pre-engineered steel buildings, PEB and structures. Our corporate philosophy goes hand in hand with our values. We work hard to ensure that every employee of the organization understands our customers' business and product expectations from the product and works to enhance the customer experience. At KK PEB, we believe in creating a great product with a competitive price. More importantly, we strive to be friendly and open to customers so that they love doing business with us. KK PEB senior management directly gets involved in key projects to ensure trust and build long-lasting relationships. KK PEB Building Systems has not only maintained high-quality products and services, but also demonstrated innovation in customer service. By continuing to follow our core values, we are on course to realize our vision to be the most successful and admired pre-engineered steel building company in the country.